Pig, Pedro's cough. Peppa and her friends are waiting for Madame Gazelle to start their music lesson. Miss Polly held a dolly, sings Madame Gazelle. What is that strange noise? Poor Pedro Pony has a nasty cough. Not to worry, says Madame Gazelle. I will ring Dr. Brown Bear. Dr. Brown Bear looks after everyone when they are poorly. Dr. Brown Bear picks up his medical kit, jumps in his doctor's car and drives straight to playgroup. I have got a cough, says Pedro when Dr. Bear arrives. It's nothing serious, says Dr. Brown Bear. But it may be catching, so we'll give you some medicine. Ah! Cries Pedro. It tastes like an old shoe full of jam. Susie Sheep and Danny Dog starts to cough too. As I thought, says Dr. Brown Bear. Pedro's cough is catching. He gives them both some cough medicine. It tastes of carpet-flavored yogurt, says Susie. Yuck! It tastes of flowers, says Danny. Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brown Bear? Asked Peppa. I am never ill because I eat an apple a day, says Dr. Brown Bear. Soon it is home time and the parents arrive to pick up the children. I have got a cough, says Pedro. Dr. Brown Bear came to look after us, says Danny. All the adults start coughing too. Peppa picks up the phone. Dr. Brown Bear, now all the grown-ups are ill, she says. Now it is the grown-ups' turn to take the cough medicine. It tastes like custard and old socks, says Madame Gazelle. All the grown-ups must take the medicine to help them feel better. No one likes the medicine. Who looks after you when you are ill? Asks Peppa. No one looks after me, replies Dr. Brown Bear. I'm never... Dr. Brown Bear has got Pedro's cough too. Who will look after Dr. Brown Bear? Gasped Peppa. Poor Dr. Brown Bear is taken to hospital. He has some visitors. Danny has brought some fruit. Susie has brought the medicine. Open wide, says Susie. Ugh, cries Dr. Brown Bear. It tastes like jammy yogurt-flavored carpet shoe with flowery custard old socks. Soon Dr. Brown Bear is feeling better. Everyone loves being looked after. Even Dr. Brown Bear. Thank you for watching.